All right, guys, we're going to go over multiplicative comparisons one more time. I'm going to start with the basics. The action words that we're looking for multiplicative comparisons are times, as, many as. And when we're doing word problems or anything, we're always going to box our action words. So in this one, we have times as many as. We would circle our numbers, typically. So basically, we're going to read this and then change the words into symbols. So 45 is 3 times as many as 15 would be 45. Your place, your place the is with the equal sign. 3 times 15. Pretty basic on these. Okay, 7 times as many as 7 is 49. 7 times 7 equals 49. All right, I'm going to skip these next two, and we're going to go on to the task cards that we were working on the last time. And this is where I'm going to show you how to create all the little boxes so we can show each step. So it says Joshua collected 7 times as many baseball cards as Aaron. Together they collected 32 cards. How many cards did Joshua collect? So we have a word problem. We're going to go back and circle those numbers. We are going to underline the question. We want to know how, oops, that pen stopped. We want to know how many cards did Joshua collect? And we also need to go back and box our action words, times as many. All right, so for this one, we're going to start by labeling it. Our two people are Joshua and Aaron. So I'm going to put a J for Joshua and an A for Aaron. And it says Joshua collected 7 times as many baseball cards. We're going to make 7 boxes for Joshua. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then Aaron or any other person will always only get 1. We'll make our bracket. On our bracket, that's where we're going to put the total that they collected together, which was 32. For our next step, we're going to take that number 32. That's our total, and we're going to share it with the number of boxes we have all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 32 divided by 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. So we're going to take this number 4, our quotient, and put it back in to each of these boxes. So our question was not how many did Aaron collect, it was how many Joshua collected. So we're going to go back and circle all of those boxes for Joshua, and then we're going to add up or multiply each of the 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So the answer to this one will be 28 baseball cards. We're going to move over here and do it one more time. Maisie has 4 times as many pets at home as Rachel. Together, they have 25 pets. How many pets does Maisie have? All right, circling our numbers. Underlining our question, how many pets does Maisie have? Boxing our action word, times as many. And so now we're going to label it. We have Maisie and Rachel. And Maisie has 4 times as many. So she's going to get 4 boxes. Rachel will always get 1 just because she's the other person. Next step is to create our brackets. On the outside is where we're going to put our total. And then we're going to take this number and divide it by all of the boxes all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we're still having trouble with division, they can also draw equal groups in the boxes and start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Then I can go back and count one box. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I do have to actually go back and put that number 5 in each of those boxes. And our question was, how many pets does Maisie have? So we're going to circle Maisie. And we're going to count those 5, 10, 15, and 20. And Maisie has 20 pets. right, I'm going to flip back up here real quick just to kind of show you how this would look up here. I'll go to this one. If we were looking at this problem, we would have 45 on the outside on our brackets. In each of our boxes, we would have 15. So here's how that would work. Because this thing is 3 times as many as this one thing, then that has, let's just